Hey everyone, in this video we're going to do an unboxing of a Staedtler pencil set. So let's get going. In this set it's a kind of a metal case, so it's kind of a nice easy to carry case. You can kind of toss it around quite easily. It has a plastic cover. I believe that's just for the packaging. I actually got this one as a gift, so that's easy to come off, so you can see that, and this is recyclable, so I encourage you to recycle that as well. It's really a nice cover. It's pretty clean and glossy. If you check this out, just open it up with a quick little pop open, you see what's inside. You've got all your pencils there and a little guide as well. It sounds simple, but you have a really nice set over here. You can see it goes from the 6B to the 4H, and it's a really nice range. I like Staedtler. Staedtler is one of the top brands in terms of pencils. You can see it comes obviously very well sharpened, so you're not going to need to sharpen the pencils. The blue is kind of a statement piece, so if you know this set and if you know what you get in here, you can kind of guess where this goes. So each pencil has its own kind of unique coating on it, and it has made in Germany, the Mars and the Staedtler branding as well. So you can kind of see what this looks like, right? So it's obviously just a really nice set. This little guide here, just basically I wouldn't say a user guide, just kind of shows you like best practices. It just kind of shows you like what you can do with this type of thing as well. So obviously this is a really nice piece to include. Some of the stuff might be obvious, but some might not be, like just checking out the different shades of what's possible with things like the F or the H or the B and all the different numbers around it. So, for those that are pretty experienced with drawing, this might seem pretty straightforward, but if you're just getting started with this craft, this is something that is probably going to be very useful for you. So, obviously this is something that you want to just be aware of, and obviously these are just different sets. Like there's a charcoal set and there's pastels and things like that. So yeah, just you can grow your set as well. This is obviously something that they're just trying to show you as well, and you can go from there. So that's all that is. This is a great little kit. I love the metal. I love that you can just toss your pencils in and just like kind of toss it and go. It's pretty durable. Your pencils stay in place. If I open this back up, your pencils are all there. It is a best practice to kind of keep your set in order, but if you want to mix it up, you could totally do that. You'll never mix them up because the numbers and the codes are there, so you'll never have to worry about that either. Aside from that, what can I say? This is just a really quality-driven set. Like I said, I actually haven't used this yet. It was given to me as a gift, and just a really nice piece and just a really nice set of tools. So I'm personally looking forward to using this in my drawings moving forward. And if you saw the recent video as well, I just got a new graphite set that I'm going to be using as well. So yeah, you're going to follow along. You're going to see me use different tools, this and some of my old school stuff as well, from back in the day. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you can try this Staedtler pencil set out as well. Maybe not this exact one, but a different one. But you could try the Staedtler brand, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite pencil type is. Do you have a favorite type? Do you like to mix it up? What are some of your favorite tools to use when you do your drawings? Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, so have a great day.